Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back and thank you so much. As you can tell by the title, I will be unboxing a handbag. I spoke about this handbag a couple videos back when I was discussing my regrets of my Louis Vuitton purchases with you, and I was saying that I wanted to get a new bag and I have my eyes set on a Gucci Padlock bag. So let's get into this unboxing. You already know where it's from. You guys, look how big this bag is. Can I still fit in the camera? Hello? Are you making room for me? Look at that! It's okay, I always use these bags for storage and other stuff. So let's undo it and let's get into it. I'm super excited. So here is the box here. Oh my God, these lights are so bright. But you guys, I'm doing something that I've never really done before. I'm filming at night. It's cloudy out. It rained all day. I didn't want to go out and get my hair all messed up, you know. So we went to a party for my aunt and then we decided to come back home. We'll probably go to dinner tonight. So I just said, while I'm sitting around in my clothes, I may as well do this unboxing. I've had this bag forever. If you follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, you would have seen me at the Gucci store. I had tried this bag on and asked you guys what you thought. And if you're not following me, I'm gonna link my Instagram in there and Snapchat. So if you do any of those things, we can stay in touch, we can get better acquainted, and you'll know when things come out first, because oftentimes I'll go to Instagram or I'll go to Snapchat and then the YouTube video happens. So while you're here, let's stop all the rumbling and let's jump into this box. So remember a video back, I told you guys that I was gonna go and I was looking for a bag. I had my eyes set on Gucci, one of their padlock bags that was kind of trendy, but yet it was still kind of classic. So what do you think it is? So we got that off. Here's the box. Here's what it looks like. Here it is here. And of course it comes with a little, I've been watching a lot of unboxing and they show everything. I have no patience. I'm like, okay, I'm done. But here's the ribbon. Oh my God, I'm gonna speed this up. Here is the little pamphlet that it comes with that says Gucci. This would be the actual receipt that's there. Okay, so we have that, and now for the box. You know it closes with the magnetic closure here, so it opens up, I think. Am I making that up? I could be making that up. Nope, I was right. It closes like that. So you open it and you have your Gucci box just like that. It has the tissue paper. We all love the tissue paper. We don't want to rip the Gucci sign. I'm not one of those though. I mean, I don't mind ripping it as I take it off very carefully. And she told me, okay, quick story. You guys know that I'm a story girl and I always have a story. So my essay, when I was getting this bag, and like I said, I've had it for some time, but this is the very first time that I'm actually opening it. I've never carried it, anything. So I'm opening it with you, just like you're seeing me open it. We really are opening it together. She goes, I put something inside of it for you. I go, you did? She goes, yeah. She said, I wanted to give you something. We can pass out so many and I want to give you one of them. And I'm like, well, what is it? She goes, no, you have to wait until you get home and you open the bag and then you can see what it is and call me. And I'm like, okay. So as I open the box, so this is in there. Oh my God, what do you think it is? So this is it. I don't know what it is. We are going to open it and find out together. Another ribbon. Oh. You know I like surprises. Oh, so this was the little box it came in, or the little baggie that it came in. And, oh, nice! I love these. Oh my, oh yes. Oh my, I'm super excited. Look at, and I told you on the last, I'm going on a little girls trip in a few weeks. And look how cute. It's a little Gucci Bloom, a fragrance that I can take with me on my trip. Oh, have you ever watched my, oh yes. Have you ever watched my perfume video? There's a perfume video. I do a lot of perfume videos. I love perfume. And I go into detail about this fragrance. If you have not got a chance to get your hands on it and try it, OMG, you guys, it smells so good. It's totally perfect for spring coming up. How nice of her. This is super cute. I love this. Oh, and this is the Eau de Perfume. I will be taking that on my trip. Yes, I will. I love this. And she gave me 2 of them. Thank you so much. That was so sweet of you. So cute, right? Super cute. Okay, that's enough of that. So here's the bag. Picking it up for the 30th time. And here is the handbag. I am the kind of girl, when I purchase a bag, I want it brought in from the back. I don't want anybody to have touched it, looked at it, felt it, breathed on it, anything. I like to be the first, and I want it to all be me. I want to take off all the paper. I just don't want a bag that has been sitting, that has been on the floor as a, you know, as a, what do they call them? Like a showroom floor bag. I don't want that. I want a bag that's in the plastic. So is this in the plastic enough or what? This is not even in the sateen dust bag yet. You have to open this. So you see, this is the plastic. She said this had just came in and she snatched it for me. So I'm gonna open it and taking this off. I have a mess here. Oh, don't drop it, Shrey. Here is this. It comes in the sateen bag with the black drawstring, satin zipper. No, I'm joking. Oh my gosh, it's a lot of paper, you guys. So, as I remove all the paper, this is it. This is my Gucci Padlock bag with gold detail and gold hardware. I like to call it jewelry instead of hardware. Gold detail and gold jewelry. I am totally a black and gold kind of girl. White and gold, mauve and gold, pink and gold. I love those colors. I told you I have really become like a gold detail person with the bag, with it being jewelry. I like a chain, you know. A strap is cool, but a chain kind of makes me feel a little bit more dressy. I'm all about I'm the girl that wears like way too many bangles, way too much jewelry. You know how it says if you're gonna leave the house, take off one accessory. I think I actually add one accessory and I add more perfume. So this is right up my alley. OMG. This is it right here. This is the Gucci Padlock. So this is it. I absolutely love it. You can go in here on this little thing right here and you can have your initials put on it, and that's complimentary. Once you purchase it, you can put them, I don't know if you can put them anywhere, but you could definitely have your initials put here. So when this bag is like this, and they would consider this to be like a top handle like this, it would be like 11 inches. And then if you were to pull it up, it would be about 20 inches, I would say. This is how long. I'll stand up so we can get some modeling shots. But this is it here. A little bit about this bag. Let me see, you guys know I had to take my notes because I would have made up stuff. Just because. So it's a small structured shoulder bag. It has the lock and key closure. You can really lock this key. Oh, I love this. So I think I love gold because it's so shiny. So these are the keys, just like that. And so you would put this in, you would take them off, and you would go ahead and lock it. And this is the little, where it has the lock here. So you can lock it here with the keys that come in here. And that's how that would work. This is a back. It does not have a pocket in the back. This is the GG Supreme, and I like it because it's kind of classic. It doesn't have a back pocket. It just has like a regular back here, but I do like it because it is canvas and it is leather, and I think it's going to be easy to take care of. I'm just hoping that this doesn't get too scratched or anything around. It shouldn't, because you squeeze those two together just like that, and this pops open. And so the interior looks like it is a microfiber, more tissue paper. Comes with this little Gucci booklet here. I guess this tells you your responsibility, how to care for it, how to take care of it, and make sure it's in immaculate condition and keep it there. I'm really good about keeping my things together. So that's that. And then it comes with the numbers there for that. And then inside, oh, what is this? Oh, of course, it comes with the little, what is this? It comes with this little leather here, and it's the leather of the bag, the leather of this. So in case you want to do a little test to see how to clean it, you can test it on this first instead of ruining your bag. So I love when they do that, because, you know, for us that love to really care for our bags, that's good. So it does have like a little pocket inside. So it's not very big inside, but if I can get stuff in some of my other bags that are smaller than this, I think this size is sufficient. So it's kind of deep. That's inside. It seems like inside it's like a microfiber inside. I'm thinking, what's that feel like? A super, yeah, soft microfiber in here. And then it has in here just like this little pocket here, not much, just like a little pocket here that it has there, and that's how it says Gucci there, and it goes inside. So I will carry this bag and actually see if I could do a what's in my bag or what fits in my bag and everything like that. Let me stand so that you can get a few glimpses of how the bag looks, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It was made in Italy, you know, and so they had another one that was like beige. It was this same thing, but it had like ebony. It was like an ebony or like a chocolate. And I did like that one too, but that one was kind of safe, and I already have my eye on another Gucci bag, and it's gonna encompass those color schemes. So I didn't really want to get two with the same. This is a little out there for me because this is still, to me, classic and timeless. It's their padlock, and it has the Gucci Supreme canvas. So that makes it, you know, recognizable. That makes it iconic. That's a brand to their house that stands out, so that's fine. But I love the gold because it gives me a little bit of edginess. At the same time, it gives me a little bit of, you know, I can put on anything, and my wardrobe is kind of like, you know, neutral, so anything. And I love to wear a ton of golds and, you know, creams and colors like that, so this goes really well with it. I can carry this out to date night. I can carry it to girls night. The sides are like this here, so it folds in here. Other side folds in here like this. So I just think that I can wear this a ton of different places, dressing it up, making it casual. I can see a cute jeans and t-shirt with a nice scarf, some big oversized glasses, some heels on, and oh my gosh, yes, totally. So that's the bag, and that's what it looks like, and I absolutely really love it. Like I said, it has a sliding strap. It could be worn as a long shoulder strap, or it could be worn as a top handle. The drop on it is about 20 inches if you wear it as a shoulder strap, about 11 inches if you're gonna wear it as a top handle. It does have like a micro fiber lining, like a suede-like in the inside, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I just think it's a gorgeous bag. I'm super excited to have something different. I don't have, to me, this was kind of safe because it's kind of trendy, chic, and classic all at the same time. And the color scheme, I don't think I could go wrong because these are all the colors that I'm always wearing. So I absolutely love it. If you have any questions about this bag, if there's anything that you want to know, leave it in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer it. Give me a few weeks or so. I'm going to carry this bag, and then I'll let you know more about it, the wear and tear, everything like that. I probably won't carry it a ton. I don't know if I'll carry this to brunch or not. I think I'm going to use it more as an evening bag, going out, a lot of stuff like that. It's kind of dark for a brunch, but I mean, I don't know. I'll play with it and I'll see, you know, what I like about it. But I absolutely love the chain. I do. I really do love the chain. I think that that is so dressy. It's so me. I love a chain bag. Oh my God, look how the chains, you guys, I did not plan this, but look how the chains are matching my thing. See, I told you, I love black and gold. So, like I said, any questions, anything that you have that you want to know about the bag, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. I know some people like pricing. Whenever I'm watching a bag video, I do like to know the price. I need to know, like, am I going there or am I not? If you want to know the price, this bag retails for $19.50. That's without taxes, and that's US dollars. So that's what it's going for. I think it's gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I'm super, super excited. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. I cover everything on this channel, from fitness to fashion to beauty to lifestyle to vlogging, luxury, handbags, perfumes, cologne. I am like a unicorn. I encompass a little bit of everything, but it will always be fabulous. Until next time, be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Talk to you soon. Bye.